Hello. 1 minute. Hello. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm okay. My name is Carolina.
Hi, Carolina.
Hi, Alex.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm very glad to hear from you, sir.
Pleasure.
Okay, now,
Yeah.
I'm here in Uganda currently.
Okay.
Okay, but I work with New Year Comedy Festival.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, and I wanted us to meet so that we can talk about the festival that is going to take place next month.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to be in New York.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, so I don't know, how busy are you tonight?
Tonight, maybe if we could talk now, because I have a show like starting from 8, but if you have a minute now, you'd find me where I am and we discuss.
Oh, okay, so where are you right now?
I'm in Bugolobi at a place called the Royal Suite.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that where you're going to have your show tonight?
No.
Huh, because I would love to see you perform.
Okay. No, I'm not going to perform.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to attend.
Oh, you're going to attend?
Yeah.
I would love that. I would also love to be part of it.
All right. Cool. Then let's do it.
Okay. But just to give you a little detail about what we do in the New Year Comedy Festival.
Yeah.
Yeah, we started in 2004. It takes place around the NYC building.
Yes.
Okay, this I need to take you through. Like, do you know? Have you been to New York?
Yeah, I was there in May. I'm going back, I think, in November.
Okay. We have the MSG, the Bell House, and then we have the Carnegie Hall. This is where we carry out our work. And we've had a lot of acts, including Jerry Simfeld. We've had Tracy Morgan. You know Tracy Morgan?
I know Tracy Morgan, yeah.
Okay, so we've also had, like, the females. We have Tina Fey.
Yes.
You know Tina Fey?
I know Tina Fey.
Okay, yeah. So these are some of the people I work with.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So we wanted to see how we can work with some Ugandan comedians.
Yeah.
Yeah. But here in Uganda, the person that I talked to and gave me your number is he's called Dennis. I work with him. He's Ugandan. And I'm right here with him. I don't know, maybe you can speak to him?
Yeah, if it's okay, I would like to.
Okay, he's right here. You can talk to him. Alex is online.
Hello. Muhangi no gamba.
Ndio.
Orije.
Ndije sevo.
Oguni Dennis.
Dennis oha.
Dennis ni chiro kuija a comedy files every Thursday.
That's nice.
Ngumani nyija no gumwa no go na babana ba nibabetaho haba bananka baba. Ba Maurana.
Ba Maurana and Rain.
I'm a friend to Maurana and Rain. So ogo mukazi. Aine deal ko kandi nyenda tukore deal very serious man.
Okay, ndakujikora mbatu murete. Murete mushanje bugorozi ndi aharo esi then tuganire.
Nyenda tukore deal abo kuba irimo ka sente.
Yeah.
Kunka nyenda ngambire. Rero twari ba comedian cyabo kuba nayenda ba comedian nkaba nabatanaho.
Let us brainstorm on that.
Yeah?
We brainstorm on that, we see who and who.
Who we are going to work with.
Yes.
At you know, but before we meet there, I must know the percentage, my friend. At you know, the percentage share.
Average, Panzerebo Mulimoya Guruho.
Omurimuguruho. The Gangambri Alex. Omurimuguruho. Kunkani nyenda kumanya percentage. Niyo mwana nkarugibanda nyenda sente.
Gashati yata kuriye shaba percentage mat noza konko meyai.
No, miyai. Ati you know agambra ngo ndio miyai.
Atasha kuwa shaba percentage hati niyo wampo mulimo niza kwebaza.
Iwo mulimo to gwenda.
Niyo ningwenda konkani niza kwebaza kama zero mu gushaka then to tandikiraho
ni cyeje abakuba this is something like 60-70 million on table ejo ni business
katirebo twachirwaga nawe turebe
konkano umuntu we no muhereza akakumiza mu mani like you are getting maybe 50%.
Nah, you know what one was another one is because I don't do things because of money.
Kuba ninze nazona no basa kuizimpere ziwe.
No ninze kwedede.
No be hamwana wi hano.
Manyege sikuru byande me. Konka nyoti ndikora habwa sende. I don't do things for money.
You do for what? For charity.
For the brand.
When I recently saw a flat you are building, simanya flat. You just flat ni yo.
They are like 4.
Yeah?
It's not one.
You have like 4.
There are many.
Wanje ori mushuma ogunika tongoro mutongore na sari hedimisie. Oya BTV maha iwe. Kano yenda sende wacho yagalajyo sente Muhangi kasajja gwe.
Yabayo.
Muhangi.
And by the way, how you got me, yeah? The accent is real. Who was speaking like that?
Alex.
No, listen. You guys are so good. Munsange mbagwire kuchokura.
Tujakureye sutsi kati tujja.
Omuzungu kasoka tumukuwa mubuze say hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Omuzungu cyo vanai.
Gwe Alex. Ngonja yenyo.
Ani ono kati.
Ono sali.
Sali vanai.
Alex. Kakati sebonze zijja ku comedy files kubanga ndudde.
Badita comedy store.
Manya comedy store.
Jangu.
Nze bangana yeyo fa abanyalwanda tebatukirizayo.
But I'm very convinced you speak very good Runyankole. Ora katugosoba kuno omulimu nga ku Airtel
Nyo.
Ku radio ogende ku center okole.
Randoza. Gwe. Kati olokuno olujjo indayo kyakabi.
Olokuno olujja tulina MC Maria kyakola one man show. Ba comedians bana babeerawo ndoga ne ba musicians nga badebe ku ina abala.
Okay. Naye tubulize kubawuliza ba Beat FM.
Abawuliza ba Beat FM mugamba kibana nga balabye okubeera ku radio eno bannange. Bakera kumukunja nebatuka nole umuntu alabye nammwe. Yewambe mwebale kukola abawuliza tubebaza nyimwe banyo kuwuliza.
Sebo.
Nimpe abantu nga babitu bawaka meza baje basekemu ko comedy bannange.
Kale tujja baku watofayo. Kale tujja baku watofayo Muhangi.
Nene yaziza bambe you guys are doing a great job. I'm really convinced.
Okay, katika tujje tumalize deal yo niyo ko tata.
Kati niyo kutukoze tutia.
Bye.